Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are looking at the best first day of school frame photo booth, the SWYOUN Black First Day of School Back to School Party Photo Booth Selfie Frame. This product is designed to add a fun and memorable touch to those special first day of school moments. The SWYOUN frame is made from high-quality cardstock, ensuring a sturdy feel while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. The frame measures approximately 18.9 inches by 26.7 inches, providing plenty of space for posing and capturing vibrant photos. The black design gives it a sleek, versatile look that can complement any school-themed event or party. Included in the package is one photo frame along with 4 cardboard supports to help hold the frame steady while taking photos. The frame arrives folded for convenience, making it compact for shipping and storage but simple to unfold and set up when you're ready to use it. This frame is perfect for a variety of uses, including back-to-school parties, classroom events, or simply creating fun photo memories on that important first day. Because of its size and design, it works well for both kids and adults to hold or stand behind, making the photos feel interactive and engaging. One of the biggest advantages of this photo booth frame is its portability. Since it's lightweight, it's easy to carry around to different locations like schools, parties, or family gatherings. The material used is durable enough to last through multiple uses if handled with care. Though it is paper-based, so gentle treatment is recommended to avoid bending or creasing. The overall quality of the cardstock offers a nice balance between durability and flexibility. While it is not made from heavy plastic or metal, the frame's thickness is sufficient to maintain its shape during use. The cardboard supports add additional reinforcement, helping the frame stay upright when held or placed on a flat surface. It's also worth mentioning that the simple black color and clean design make it a versatile accessory that can easily be paired with other party decorations or photo props. Whether you want a classic look or plan to customize it with stickers, markers, or other creative elements, this frame provides a great blank canvas for your ideas. Though it is designed primarily for the first day of school, this frame can also be adapted for various other educational milestones or events such as graduations, school plays, or end-of-year parties. Its size and style make it a useful prop to celebrate different moments throughout the school year. The SWYOUN First Day of School Photo Booth Frame offers excellent value for its price. It's an affordable way to enhance photo experiences and bring a playful vibe to school events. Plus, the easy setup and lightweight design mean you don't need any extra tools or effort to start using it right away. In summary, if you're looking for a fun, easy-to-use, and visually appealing photo booth frame to capture those precious back-to-school memories, the SWYOUN Black First Day of School frame is an excellent choice. It balances quality, size, and style in a way that suits both kids and adults alike, making your photo shoot experience more enjoyable and memorable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to subscribe for more honest and helpful product insights. See you in the next video.